So many of you have probably pre-ordered the new Samsung Galaxy S20 phone, and you need to check out this video till the end because I have for you the complete lineup of Ringke cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20, starting right now. Now, I wasn't saying that just to introduce the video. I actually do have the complete lineup of the Ringke cases made for the Samsung Galaxy S20. And of course, I want to take this occasion to give a big shout out, major shout out to Ringke for sending me all of these cases. They just wanted me to give my honest take, my unbiased take. They know that I don't review for anyone. I'll just give my take to you guys. So major shout out, major thank you to Ringke for sending these out. You can definitely check them out on their website, rinkestore.com. So jumping into this, I want to go ahead and start up with my favorite, which is pretty much everyone's favorite. And that is, of course, the Ringke Fuxion X case. This one is in space blue color, but I also do have the all black trim or color here. Oh, by the way, these cases are all military grade. So the design does include a level of shock absorption if you happen to drop your phone with this case attached to it. So first off, I like this see-through back here, meaning if you have a skin on your phone, you can still enjoy or you can still see that skin through the case here. Then you have these bumpers right here that kind of pop out a little as your first line of defense, kind of. You also have a little bit of a rise here to protect your camera all around here. You also have kind of a lip sticking out at the top and at the bottom here to protect the phone if you were to drop it face first. We then have some very clean cutouts here, so whether it's your USB Type-C, your mic, your speakers, and so forth, these cutouts are set to fit properly. Now, I do have to say that I will have to confirm that once I get the actual phone to put it in and see to make sure that it actually fits flush. Button feedback seems pretty good also. Now, I don't have a phone to properly test it, but so far it feels pretty good. And I do like how you can tell the difference between the power button and the volume rocker here without necessarily looking down at your phone. You could just feel it and you'll be able to tell that this is the power button and this is the volume rocker. You then have the Fuxion X name stamp right here, and the actual brand, Ringke, is at the bottom of the case right there. And here's an interesting one. These are cutout entries for the wrist strap. The overall case feels very, very grippy, especially given these multiple grip points you have on here. It just feels like you cannot drop your phone once you are holding it in your hand. The next one here is the regular Ringke Fuxion case, which is fairly straightforward. So what you have here are these TPU bumper guards to protect against drops. And of course, the same button lineup here, which seems to be pretty good as far as feedback goes. And again, very clean cutouts for all the ports on your phone. Now, unlike some regular clear cases, this one is anti-static, meaning you have less chances of accumulating dust and dirt in it. And of course, it is compatible with wireless charging and most screen protectors, even the thick ones. Now here we have the Ringke Fuxion Matte, which kind of follows the same characteristic as the regular Fuxion, except you have an added smooth matte finish, which is also anti-fingerprint and smudges. This one is transparent with a clear trim and is compatible with wireless charging. Same deal with the cutouts here, good button feedback so far. Then we have the Ringke Air, which is the lightest of all of them. I actually do have two colors here, the clear and the smoke black here. This is more of a flexible and very slim design case, so it's more on a low profile case. It's also compatible with all types of screen protectors. It supports wireless charging, of course. And this is the type that you use when you want to keep it very simple and minimal, and you'll still get a very good level of protection. It's obviously fully transparent in case you have like a skin or something you're using on your phone. You can still enjoy that on here. The cutouts are clean and well aligned as the other ones. And even though it's kind of a low profile, you can see that the camera is still protected here because you still have this area around here, which is a little bit raised to protect it just like on all of the other ones that we looked at. So overall, it does seem like a very well built case to me, just like the other ones that we checked out today. If you want to go ahead and check them out yourself, follow the affiliate links down in the description below, or you could just go directly on the Ringke website if you want to order yourself one directly from them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment. I'm going to catch you in the comment section, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Until then, I'm out. Peace.